The Frigo Vert, Concordia's non-profit food co-op since 1992, needs your help. Please vote yes to support our fee levy campaign. Vote yes for organic eggs delivered weekly by a local farmer. Vote yes for delicious, quick, cheap lunches from local small-scale producers. Vote yes for organic produce delivered weekly directly from local farms when available. Vote yes for carefully sourced products like fair trade olive oil from Palestine. Vote yes for natural house cleaning and personal care products at a reasonable price. Vote yes for organic bulk grains, flour and more. Best deals in town. Vote yes for organic, directly traded, locally roasted coffee. Vote yes for your alternative medicine supplier. Vote yes for non-commercial space to kick back and read or have a cup of tea. Vote yes for programming and events. Vote yes for the Solidarity ID project, where Frigo membership cards meet a political project that support people's right to ID cards that reflect their identities. Your support will help us to stay open, keep prices low, get more local and direct trade products, and much, much more. Please vote yes.